All right, so this is a 2016 RCF. Beautiful orange paint job. Got the black carbon roof on top. Got nice aftermarket wheels. Got a really beautiful paint job. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's a nice pearl metallic paint there. All right, moving on to the back. Got a carbon trunk there, carbon spoiler. Ooh, we got an exhaust system here, aftermarket exhaust. You know who's the brand? I can't read it from here, but I know I've heard it before, guys. So you're gonna love the way it sounds. So my buddy's gonna start the car up, and we're gonna get a nice exhaust clip here. Okay, guys? All right. So we're gonna do a. Yeah, go for it. There's the sound of the 5-liter V8 that's in this car. Revs up to 7,500 RPMs. Yeah, you can go roll forward if you want, to the right. Sounds good. Sounds really good.